Are you wasting money on software you don't need? Hey, digital nomads, ever looked at your bank statement and wondered where all your money went? Let me guess, software subscriptions. You're not alone. I've been there, and today I'm going to show you how to stop throwing money away on tools you don't need. The average digital entrepreneur spends over $2,000 annually on software they barely use. But here's the kicker. I've discovered a method to get premium software at up to 70% off, and I'm sharing all my secrets with you today. The hidden costs of digital nomad life nobody talks about. Let me tell you a painful story. Last year, I found myself buried under $2,000 worth of software subscriptions, project management tools, email marketing platforms, design software, you name it. The worst part? I was only actively using about 30% of them. This is what I call software subscription fatigue, a growing problem in our digital nomad community. Even experienced nomads fall for it because these companies are smart. They hook you with amazing features, but before you know it, you're paying for 3 tools that do the same thing. 3 essential rules for smart software shopping. Rule number 1. Never, and I mean never, trust software without a free trial. If they won't let you test it first, that's a major red flag. Would you buy a car without test driving it? Exactly. Rule number 2. Do your homework on the company. Check how long they've been around. For startups, verify their funding on sites like Crunchbase. I once lost $500 on a lifetime deal from a company that vanished after 3 months. Rule number 3. Use trusted marketplaces like AppSumo. Here's why they screen their deals thoroughly and offer solid money-back guarantees. Look at this premium SEO tool I got last month. Regular price, $79 per month. I paid $49 for a lifetime license. My current software stack is worth over $2,000 annually, but guess what? I paid just $299 total through smart shopping. Let me break down the math. A typical social media scheduling tool costs $29 monthly. That's $348 per year. I got a lifetime deal for $39. The best part, every deal comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's 2 whole months to test everything thoroughly. Start your smart software journey today. Ready to stop wasting money? I've got something special for you. Check the description below for exclusive AppSumo deals I've handpicked for our community. I'm giving away my software evaluation checklist, the exact system I use to save thousands on software. Just join our Digital Nomad Institute community through the link below. Quick action steps. Audit your current subscriptions. Check out the curated deals. Join our community for weekly money-saving tips. Remember, smart software shopping isn't about being cheap, it's about being strategic. See you in our next video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more digital nomad tips.